Hello viewers, welcome to Dime Investor channel. Today I come up to a new video with a new stock. I never talked about that before. So that's a COVID vaccine stock, Novavax. The stock has been beaten down massively. You're getting some news. So people thought market thought maybe the stock is not gonna do that much better, but I feel like there's a huge room to grow of that stock. I don't hold any of that stock at the moment, but I feel like it's a good time to buy now than all-time high. So I go straight to what my findings and thoughts about that one. Let's go dive in. So that's the company Novavax. It's a biotechnology company, US based. They're making a good anti-vaccine as well for COVID-19. They did very good run last 5 years. You can see 367% gone up last 5 years who hold the stocks, but in last 1 year actually the stock price at the moment is showing like 53% gone up. When you view the yearly one, year to date, by the date actually it's only shown like 19%. If you check the last 6 months chart, actually the stock price keep going down. It's 39% gone down, and if you go to the yearly chart, and you can see from all-time high actually the stock is down now 57%, and which is really massive. I find like I like to buy a stock when the stock is really down. And if you check actually it was down that much as well before May, actually the 13th of May, and the stock didn't go up that much. It's only 11% gone up. So why the stock gone down so much in last few months? And the news actually has been like Novavax actually have some difficulties regarding their production line. Is no, and so they are not like possible to make that much good standard quality like that they want to catch. Actually they're facing trouble to roll it out to mass production, so they're lagging the demand. So what they have actually moment, like they're planning maybe for example do use like 2 or 5 million for an argument's sake doses, but they can't produce that much, so that's why the stock price gone down. Okay, and if you want to deep dive and know more information, you can just take a screenshot and read all those lines. I don't want to go through every single lines, it's gonna take more long time. So I want to say like actually few weeks before I also mentioned about one stock. It's Mark actually. They're thinking to bring a like pill or tablet or something like this for the COVID vaccine. Actually the finding and research come out actually a few days before, which is not still at the moment like feasible. They have lots of information, lots of things like con and pros against this one. So because when that news come out about the Mark capsule or tablet, the most of the vaccine stocks gone down, because people thinking that okay, this stock don't have that much room to grow now, maybe people gonna prefer not to take the vaccine, better taking the tablets. But that things actually by this research paper actually is not showing like it's gonna do it, because this research actually showed that it have lots of flaws in that process what they did, and the research what they submitted is not like completely like big. It's only for a small amount of people that research this one, and so it's need to go more actually in depth about this information, that they're gonna react, how they react to different people, and so actually it's not, I think we're not gonna see these things rolling out very soon, but we should keep an eye on this one. So for this one actually the pressure gone down to back to the Moderna, Pfizer, BioNTech, Johnson & Johnson, Novavax. This stock may be expected to rebound. So that's why because the Novavax have 2 reasons that stock gone down. So there's one reason it can go up. I think that the other reason which one is going down about the production line, I think this is not for the long time. It's just market reacted, it's overreacted about the situation. So so what I'm thinking now, let's go to dive in the Novavax condition of the company. So it is a biotech company actually have a good potential in the future, trading 95.8% below the estimate fair value. Actually I have a confusion. I have some points to note in this one. Actually I'll mention to you. Earning forecast to grow 69.24% per year. That's the very good catch. At the moment the stock price actually selling in a very undervalued excuse me. it's showing like 95% undervalued, but I don't agree with this one. Because why I'm saying it, this one I don't agree with this one. When they do this kind of calculation, they don't update very quickly and soon. In the information we can see here, in October 16 actually they released exercise options and sold 1.2 million worth of stock. So I think this stock gonna make the calculation a bit different, so it's still undervalued, but maybe not that much. That's my point of view. So but if you check about the past performance, so how they did in past performance, this company Novavax, it's not shown like very good, it's -18. But if you check the future growth, what the analysts are estimating that how much they're going to do, because they can't actually meet their target what they tried before, and they're facing problem about their production line. So future growth going to be 69.2%, which is really crazy. So, but if you check the financial, actually the financial gone down a bit because of this production line, the revenue gone down. So debt to equity ratio, it was not bad, but it's gone down because they couldn't reach their target goal. But if you check the ownership, what the big hedge funds are doing, it's quite kind of like mixed. Some of them they're selling, some of them they're buying. It's like this. Some of the insiders actually selling the stocks as well, like to the options and stuff. And so if I go more down, further down, okay. Interesting thing is, this stock is not solely holding by institutions, major or public. It's like 50-50. There's a good opportunity to do more better actually in the future, I feel, in my point of view, in my opinion. So you can see Vanguard actually increased their position, but BlackRock and which are other, they actually reduce their positions, like a mix. Some of them like reduce crazy, some of them increase crazy. So it's like a mix. So there's like market is like done, not sure or who's right, who's wrong. Time will tell. But I feel like because they have a good room to grow. So I feel like, okay, if I jump into this one, not at the moment like nibbling, if I can see it can go down as well because of this one. There's another information come up, maybe this can go a bit more down as well because of the struggling about the manufacturing issues here. So it can go more down. If it's go down, it's more good for me. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just keep buying more if I have a chance. I don't have any position for as a disclaimer, but I'm looking into it. I think that's a good price point. If it's gone down to like 21, 25, 127 ish or 130, I think it's not a bad position to get in. But if I find like it's gone down to more 125 or 120 range, I think it's gonna be a good time to buy it and hold it for like at least a year. Maybe by this time it start gonna rebound and get good decent profit. That's my thinking actually. I'm not sure actually. Nobody can tell. I don't have any crystal ball. So if you like this kind of video content, and if you like this kind of findings, what I find, what I'm looking into it every single week, so I will say please keep watching my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon, so every time I upload a new video you get notification, you can watch the video. I really appreciate your time for being with me. Thank you very much. Bye for today. Bye.